Hello, Ken here with Ultralight, and today we'll do a quick video on our AC-LH2 lanyard holders. So we have a kit, and it comes with two lanyard holders and miscellaneous hardware, as you'll see right here. And what these lanyard holders are made for is mainly if you have two, you can mount a lanyard like so. Or you could actually take like this type of lanyard that we sell, and you could take this split ring and put it around something, and that way it's not going to go anywhere. But anyways, how these are made is you can remove the ball. You can place the lanyard holder between the ball and the handle and then just tighten it back down. So you would essentially have two on both handles. Or if you just have something with a single handle, you could do that as well. And then you have an extra lanyard holder. Or you can also bolt one onto any place that you have a 1/4 inch 20 threaded hole. Make it nice and secure. You could do two and you're all set. So the main thing is you may or may not use, well, you probably will not use all the different parts in the package. Use what you need for whatever setup you're going to be doing. So it's not like a engine. If you're rebuilding it and you have extra spare parts, that would be a problem. But this isn't. If you have spare parts, keep them. You never know what you're going to do with them. Anyways, happy diving and have a great day.